Tineco Floor 1S3 Breeze, Smart Cordless Wet and Dry Floor Washer and Mop. Vacuum Plus Wash Plus Self-Clean, Hard Floor Specialist, Smart Sensor Technology. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Floor 1S3 Breeze, a smart, cordless floor washer that vacuums and mops in one effortless step. Equipped with Tineco's iLoop Smart Sensor Technology, Dual Tank System, Self-Cleaning Cycle and LED, Voice Interface, this floor washer is ideal for homes with sealed hard flooring, tile, laminate, hardwood, vinyl, and households looking for a faster, smarter clean. Key features and benefits. iLoop Smart Sensor Technology detects wet versus dry messes and automatically adjusts suction, water flow and brush pressure for optimum performance. Vacuum and wash simultaneously. No need to sweep then mop. This unit vacuums large debris and washes sticky spills in one pass. Cordless convenience. Free from cords and buckets. Lightweight body enables easy use upstairs and in multiple rooms. Self-cleaning mode. Touch of a button triggers the self-clean cycle which flushes brush and pipes, leaving components fresh and ready. Large dual tank system. Clean water and dirty water tanks separate so you always mop with fresh water. LED display plus voice alerts. Real-time status of battery, mode, tank levels. Voice prompts assist you during cleaning. Quiet operation. Operates at a noise level as low as approximately 78 decibels, so you can clean without major disruption. Technical specifications. Rated power. ~190W220W. Home Haven goods. Battery. 21.6 volts Li-ion, 4000 mAh. Runtime. Up to approximately 35 minutes in auto mode, approximately 25 minutes in max. Clean water tank. Approximately 0.6 L. Dirty water tank. Approximately 0.5 L. Noise level. Is less than or equal to 78 decibels, some listings say approximately 80 decibels. Indoor floor types supported. Sealed hard floors, tile, wood, laminate, vinyl. Self-cleaning cycle duration. Approximately 40 seconds for roller cleaning. Ideal for busy households with hard flooring, homes with pets or kids, hair, crumbs, sticky spills. Anyone wanting faster floor care without multiple tools. Apartments, multi-room homes, stairs and hard-to-reach corners. Users who prefer minimal maintenance, thanks to self-clean cycle.